How to permanently disable Windows Defender real-time protection. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Windows Security. In here, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll all the way down till you find Manage Settings. Then turn off Real-Time Protection. Turn off Cloud Delivered Protection, Automatic Sample Submission, Tamper Protection. Then simply open Task Scheduler. In here you will find Task Scheduler. Double click on it, then double click on Microsoft. Here you will find Windows Defender. Click on Windows Defender Schedule, Scan, and disable it, and you're good to go. That's how you permanently disable Windows Defender real-time protection. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.